Hello everyone! Today we're diving into a topic that could change the way you approach your financial future. 6 habits you absolutely need to avoid if you want to become rich in 2025. Success doesn't happen by chance, it's the result of consistent effort and the right mindset. While many focus on what to do to build wealth, it's just as important to understand what not to do. Avoiding these 6 pitfalls can be the game changer you need to reach your financial goals. Let's start with the habit of living only in the present and ignoring the future. While enjoying the moment is important, neglecting to plan for tomorrow can lead to financial chaos. Too many people fail to save for emergencies or invest for long-term growth. This short-sighted approach can result in unnecessary stress and missed opportunities. For example, if you're not setting aside at least 3 to 6 months worth of expenses in an emergency fund, a sudden job loss or unexpected expense could derail your progress. By budgeting wisely and allocating part of your income to savings and investments, you set yourself up for stability and growth. Next, we have the tendency to underestimate the power of investing. Leaving money idle in a checking account or even a savings account means it's losing value to inflation. Imagine having $10,000 sitting in a traditional savings account earning minimal interest. In 10 years, its purchasing power will significantly decrease. On the other hand, investing that money in assets like index funds, real estate, or even cryptocurrencies could multiply its value. Start by understanding basic investment principles and take advantage of tools like retirement accounts or stock market apps. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow through compound interest. Another habit to avoid is staying stuck in a dead-end job. In today's fast-paced world, job security alone isn't enough. Growth and skill development are key. If your current position isn't providing opportunities to learn, advance, or increase your income, it's time to rethink your strategy. This doesn't mean quitting impulsively, but rather exploring options to diversify your income streams. For example, taking on freelance work, starting a side hustle, or upskilling in areas like technology, marketing, or finance can create new pathways to financial success. Remember, every step you take to improve your earning potential brings you closer to financial independence. Let's talk about a critical yet often overlooked issue: the lack of financial education. Without understanding how money works, it's easy to make poor decisions that sabotage your wealth-building efforts. This includes overspending, misusing credit cards, and failing to invest wisely. Thankfully, the solution is simple: commit to learning. Read books like The Intelligent Investor or Rich Dad, Poor Dad, follow financial experts on social media, and listen to podcasts about money management. Knowledge is power, and in this case, it's the power to make informed decisions that secure your future. One of the most damaging habits is spending to impress others rather than focusing on your actual needs. Social media often pressures us to live a lifestyle we can't afford, but the truth is, real wealth isn't about flashy cars or designer clothes, it's about financial freedom. Before you make a big purchase, ask yourself if it aligns with your long-term goals. Instead of financing a luxury car with high interest payments, consider buying a reliable vehicle and investing the difference. Building wealth means prioritizing what truly matters over fleeting validation. Lastly, failing to set clear financial goals is a mistake that can leave you stuck in a cycle of uncertainty. Without a roadmap, it's impossible to measure your progress or stay motivated. Take the time to define what financial success looks like for you. Maybe it's saving for a dream home, retiring early, or starting your own business. Break these goals into smaller, actionable steps and track your progress regularly. For instance, if you want to save $50,000 in 5 years, calculate how much you need to put aside each month and adjust your budget accordingly. Setting specific, realistic goals gives you a sense of purpose and keeps you focused on the bigger picture. In summary, avoiding these 6 habits, living only in the present, neglecting investments, staying in stagnant jobs, ignoring financial education, spending for status, and failing to set goals can dramatically improve your chances of becoming rich in 2025. Building wealth isn't about luck, it's about consistent, intentional actions that align with your long-term vision. If you found value in this video, don't forget to like, comment, and share your thoughts. Let me know which habit resonated most with you and what steps you're taking to improve. Subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on more life-changing insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.